We are here in Dragonmart in toy shop, and this one's Muhammad for you. Motorcycles. Yes. And all kind of scooters, different sizes. Price is ranging. क्या price कितना है?
Sir, 200.
Price range from 200 to 300. That one 350, the motorcycle. And then we have here the Range Rover 1000? 1200 electric, and it's excellent, very nice. We have Tesla car, and then we have many more. Say inshallah. Then there are lots of other things in the shop. You can, if you want, you can enjoy all these. Hey. Yeah, these cars also runs very fast. They're also excellent. This one weight how much? इसका weight कितना आ रहा है? 40. Yes, we have others. The Dragonmart E-base EB.
Wait, you finish now.
We are these are the bicycles you need. All kind of sport bikes, 18 to 22 exercises with gear in excellent condition. This one is very nice.